how to add expenses on Xero. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add an expense or expenses in our Xero over here as you can see. So, what you're going to do is you're going to click on business and navigate to bills to pay. Open this. And in this page, this is where you can put in the expenses that you're going to pay. You could click new bill and then simply enter the expenses information. You could add an item over here. So let's say electricity, something like that. Then you can put the quantity, the unit price, the account, the tax rate, stuff like that. And then you will be able to add that bill that you are going to have to pay and have as an expense to be managed by your Xero app over here or your Xero dashboard. So anyway, that's basically it guys. If you consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.